Shout out Brad. Shout out Charlie. Canada's Food Safety Agency monitoring Lucky Charms investigation in the U.S. That's not what you expected to see.
Yeah.
That's not the transition you were looking at.
No. Are you guys a fan of Lucky Charms?
Honestly, I haven't eaten Lucky Charms in a long time. Lucky Charms, it's sort of like a sugary cereal, but it has marshmallows in it.
Yeah.
That's the key.
But they're not really like, I mean, I know they're marshmallows, but they're not like soft and chewy the way you imagine a marshmallow.
Yes.
You're right.
Yeah.
I don't even know how you would describe that. It's dried out. It's a dried out marshmallow.
Yeah, exactly. It almost feels like freeze dried.
Freeze dried, yes.
Yeah.
It still tastes good.
Yeah. Well, there's enough sugar in there that will make anything taste good.
It's Lucky Charms. You got the guy on the box, and what is he, a leprechaun?
Uh-huh.
And any kid is gonna pluck that off the shelf and say, I need that one. The one with all the colors on it.
Well, what's your relationship with cereal? Because you got the kids.
Yeah, you're talking about, so not personally, you mean the younger ones.
Yeah, but also personally. Do you end up having a bowl?
Personally, I don't eat these things.
Even though it's there?
If I was going to eat I don't eat them anymore. I really don't. I don't feel a pull towards it. Now, I know you're a young man still.
No, I'm going to say the opposite. I mean, when I was a kid, cereal was my thing. It was like no breakfast is complete without cereal.
Okay.
But as soon as I moved out of my house and I had to go buy the cereal, I felt really guilty making that choice.
I think you're right. Yeah,
and
I
then
agree with that.
Slowly, I don't have cereal in my house.
Oh, you have zero cereal?
No.
Well, that's very strict.
Yeah.
I have oatmeal instead.
No, I love oatmeal. I eat oatmeal too.
That's kind of like the replacement.
But no, my kids do love cereal.
Of course.
And I think, I don't know. I feel like maybe the brands know that. Look at this box. I don't know, maybe they figured it out. Kids love cereal.
Enough color?
Shout out Daniel. Lucky Charms is not in my cupboard. If they have like a cheat cereal or something that they would request or reach for, if they happen to be in the supermarket, it's going to be Fruit Loops. Which Fruit Loops, what's weird about it, and a thing that I never recognized when I was a kid, is what, Will? Wait, pause, Will, pause. What did you just write in the search bar?
I know where you're going with it.
It's not.
It's the Mandela effect.
It's not Mandela. I don't think it's Mandela. But
is it not?
No. It is, but I don't think it is. In other words, I don't think it's across the board that everybody assumes the fruit in Fruit Loops is the word fruit, because it's not.
Wow, I did. I assumed it was.
It's FROOT.
Yes.
And it makes sense because they want to use the O's from the cereal, but also because you best not be calling that fruit.
You're thinking it's like a legal step?
It could be, yeah.
I'm just putting that out there.
Right.
Now, I don't know if it was always fruit like that, but the way it appears on the box, your brain just doesn't bother with it.
I also love great fruity taste.
Fruit, yeah, but it's spelt in the fruity way.
Yeah.
Fruity spelt in a fruity way. All right, so somebody in the chat says mind blown. So anyway, I guess it is for some people. That's the effect. It certainly was for me. But even there, if you got those Fruit Loops in the cupboard, they're not eating it every day. It's a here and there type scenario. Me, if I was gonna go with something sugary, it might be something more in like the cinnamon area.
Oh, the squares.
Something like that.
Yeah, I like those. Those are good.
All right, so the U.S. FDA is investigating Lucky Charms cereal after dozens of American customers complained of illness after eating it. The CFIA says it is monitoring the situation closely. That's the Canada Food Safety Administration. I guess some people had some ill effects after eating Lucky Charms, maybe an issue with the drying process of the marshmallows or something like this. Canada's Food Inspection Agency says it's not aware of any recalls of Lucky Charms. They're not aware of it. U.S. Food and Drug, on the other hand, they're investigating Lucky Charms. Customers complained of illness after eating it. They had 100 complaints related to Lucky Charms this year. I don't know. Man, this is hard to pinpoint. This stuff is very hard. You know, around the holidays, right around Easter, there was a Kinder recall. A kid got salmonella, or allegedly.
Oh, yeah? Kinder Surprise?
All Kinder products.
Oh, okay.
Or all Kinder products that came from one particular factory. Okay. I think it was in Belgium. And some salmonella got into a machine or something like this. and the kid had some people, they get salmonella, they're sick, it's food poisoning, they move on. Other people, it's hefty.
It's more,
very dangerous. Just you never know the way it's gonna, and probably the amount and whatever else matters. So right at Easter, when people are buying chocolate, they had to get it out there quick, the recall, just in case. But anyway, the same thing here. It's very, very hard. As you have several hundred people, they post on a food safety website, iwaspoisoned.com. What a name for a website.
Wow. Straight to the point.
There's a couple of times we had poison come up over here, Will.
Poison pill?
Poison pill, but before that, just poison talk. We're talking about like Shakespeare and stuff.
Yeah.
Complaining of nausea, diarrhea, and vomiting after eating Lucky Charms. Site claims that upwards of 3,000 people have reported falling ill, with reports dating as far back as late last year. Go ahead, Will.
Well, I got nothing.
Oh, okay.
It's
I felt like you took a breath, like you were about to hit us with something.
it's just sad. Lucky Charms. Supposed
Oh.
to be happiness.
What's going on?
I turned into a snake.
I'm like, go ahead, Will. You're like,
I had I mean, Lucky Charms, always a great experience. That's all I got to say.
Oh my
it's
god.
amazing. Even at this point,
Yeah,
a
it's so
year
late
later,
and-
it's still getting you, isn't it? What's
Yeah.
going on, Will?
It's 420, man.
Okay? That's
Oh my goodness.
decent excuse, I guess. I think some people will accept that. All right, what do you got next? Good luck to Lucky Charms. I hope they sort it out. I'm sure they'll sort it out.